wagon going up against this X5.
Perfect.
What's swinging, Auto Lust gang? I know y'all been waiting a long time for this. We finally getting to the track with the X5 35i. You know I got the dual intake mod, stage 2 boot mod transmission tune. What else I did? And pretty much full bolt-on, downpipe, charge pipe, front mount intercooler. So we finna get over here to Speed World in Orlando and see exactly what this baby does. Now, y'all know it ain't the X6M, so don't expect X6M speed, times, and power. But we definitely finna see what it does. And then we're gonna start working on those turbos and methanol injection so we can get some real power out this baby. All right, gang, we pulling up. Got the X5. Put this baby in sport mode, sport transmission, and see what she do. Like I told you, don't be expecting X6 tune, X6M numbers. But for you guys out there that want these mods, that I have on here now, or plan to upgrade from where I am now, or already have these mods and want to see what it does at the track, you finna find out. So once we get on the get in the lanes, I'll turn the camera back on. But for right now, we gotta pay. I think it's $10 to $25 to race, $10 to spectate, $15 to spectate, something like that. But you know, I'll turn the camera back on once we get in the lanes. See what type of competition out here. Hopefully he finna race. Hopefully I get on this Jeep real quick.
Jeep Compass.
Yeah, this Jeep Compass. That's probably the only thing I'll be able to beat out here, the Jeep Compass. Ooh, thank God this little BMW leaving. He would have ate me alive. I meant this little AMG leaving. Looked like it. Oh, that's a Mazda. It looked like a Mercedes-Benz symbol from way back there. Yeah, so I'm going to get back with you, gang, soon as we get in the lanes. All right, gang, we in the lanes. Got a Tesla out here.
A little bit of truck front, and then we get back to action.
Audi.
I ended up with a 15.0. Yes, I had 13.2. What are you expecting to run?
What all you got done to it?
Dual pulley, tunes, test pipes, rear muffler, deleted, transist tune.
Oh, okay.
The last time I raced was...
Nice.
Thanks. Probably 10 years.
Perfect. Perfect.
Now this is a race gang. Z06 versus 720S.
All right, like I said, don't forget, welcome World Pass Wednesday here at Orlando Speedway. Got Friday Night Frenzy to get all your test passes that you need. Saturday, we'll open up the gates for our last NHRA points race here.
We have another Wagon, panel wagon coming up. Caprice on the American Motorsports side, getting ready for the NHRA points race this weekend. They run in the junior street class. All 29 on reaction, not a good reaction time right there. Got to get as close to trip zero as you can. All 29. Starts out with race 8-6-17, but is going to get there first. For Tony, the American Motorsports side, getting ready for the NHRA points race.
Really? You love this Caprice wagon? Going against an X5?
Z06 McLaren 720S.
Here we go. Back up into the beams. That's one after quarter. Side by side. Here we go. First ever Plaid versus Plaid drag race.
Plaid versus Plaid, gang.
Teslas go up against each other performance-wise. This might just be the first Tesla on Tesla battle grudge race right here.
Tesla versus Tesla battle grudge race. Who's gonna win?
Tire side. Who's got the energizers? So the energizers are ready for it. We're gonna do that. Right side. Who's gonna happen? Who's gonna do the tire side? Who's gonna get it? Who's gonna top in the minute? There, he does it. Right side on the brakes. Gets the win. We might have to hurry another time.
But faster than what he ran earlier. Turbo wagon going up against this X5. Takes the win. 16. They normally run 17s. Kia Stinger against the 01 Camaro. Big turbo Sentra. Just kidding. But it's got upgraded turbo, I believe. Oh, the Sentra actually beat the pretty high. Alright. 332 against this F250.
Big old Ford pickup truck coming up on the tire side. Coming against the Mercedes.
S10 going up against the Hellcat Charger. Golf R going up against the Model 3. Golf R.
Last pair coming up on the sideline in a single, and that'll do it for Work Ass Wednesday.
the Model 3 takes the win. Dang.
16 in the right lane.
Last car, the M4.
Car on the starting line.